ancient Indian text and the inner power and the strength it blesses us only and only by reading it. Verse 8 of Kal Bhairav Ashtakam. Bhutasam Ghanayakam Vishala Kirtidayakam Kashivasalokam Punya Papa Shodhakam Vibhum Niti Marga Kovidam Puratanam Jagatpatim Kashika Puradinath Kal Bhairavam Bhaje. Understand the meaning, how beautiful it is. It means, I reverently bow down to Kal Bhairav, who is the ruler of ghosts and goblins and who bestows great glory to us. Give you the kirti, and he is the one who will destroy your sins, and he is also the one who will punish the sinners. Who is the Lord who purges both merits and the sins and the persons dwelling in Kashi. Kashi again is not just geographical but an absolute realm of justice. Kal Bhairav, who is skilled in guiding us to the path of righteous dharma. But what is dharma? What according to you is dharma? Do write in the comments. Is it about following the religious set of rules which we have been taught and just mindlessly, thoughtlessly following what is told to us? Is it about self-sabotage? Is it about not questioning the system? Is that dharma? Or is it adharma? Kal Bhairav 2026 is the year of Kal Bhairav, and thus justice prevails. He is the most ancient eternal Lord of the universes. He is the one who will give you kirti, who will give you merits, who will give you fame and punish the sinners, but also push the devotee to the path of righteousness. He is not someone will just put you on a judgment. No, he will hold your hand and show you the path, that this is the path of dharma, this is where you have to be if you are a devotee, a true-hearted devotee. Kal Bhairav Ashtakam. Do not fear Kal Bhairav. Only those who fear themselves, only those who fear their own darkness will fear Kal Bhairav and will fear Kali. If you have love for yourself, you will only and only have love for the gods. See you in the next